So, the video. Another Photoshop video. I mean, the other one didn't do too bad, but still I like Photoshop. So, why not? Oh yeah, I just dropped my diss track. I recommend that you should see it. It's really good. I spent loads of time and it actually rhymes this time around. But enough about my diss track. It's about time I go over Photoshop. That's why we're all here, or that's at least what I'm assuming. Because why would you have clicked on this video if you didn't want to see Photoshop? Alright, I'm just showing you how I do thumbnails and some of my more experimental stuff. Like this stuff I've already shown you. This is my I Called the Judeway thumbnail. It's honestly pretty simple. I just got like some black stuff, I'm not really sure. Got the Judeway stuff, blurred his number, because but still, when I talked to him, like on the actual call, he said he didn't mind people seeing it. I don't want to take any risks. I don't want this to come back and bite me. Plus, he has a different icon for some reason, so that basically means like I just changed the icon for the thumbnail. He has like some Space Marine Space Wolf guy for some reason. I don't know. It's weird. Here you have my best thumbnail. The Leonardo da Vinci of thumbnails. You have Morg staring at you with my channel in the background. Man, have I grown from 12 subscribers. But still, it's pretty simple. You just get a picture of Morgs, cut out his face, put it over my channel, which I have done this separately. I just screenshotted my channel, put the subscribe button over it, and then boom, greatness. You have achieved greatness. Congratulations. Honestly, no wonder this video has 44 views. Oh yeah, I just hit 100 views on one video. That is absolutely insane. I can't thank you guys enough for watching my channel trailer. Oh god. Here's my oh no, we gotta go down. Here's an experimental. Here's what I did to my Judeway thumbnail. I just got the Judeway's logo, put it on a robber's face, and boom, thumbnail, click, like 20 views. Great work. My experimental stuff, I wanted to like Photoshop a whole army. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with that. You have my copper thumbnail, which I didn't get to use because the video it failed, unfortunately. And by failed, I mean I didn't have enough storage. But I still have the thumbnail on my phone. Here you have a copper Photoshop. Don't know, I can't remember what I did here. You've got me crying, just got a few tears put over my eyes, and boom, hit thumbnail, 20 views. I don't know, I've used it twice, so I'm not really sure. Next you have my Christmas thumbnail again, just cut out my logo and just searched up Christmas, looked for images and found a decent one. You know what, now that I think about it, I should have photoshopped my face onto them and wrote design, never mind. Here's the thumbnail for my diss track. This actually has numerous layers. Of course, you've got the Vivo in there, you've got the Judeway, and then you've got my face. This was before like the thumbnail, before this happened, the default thumbnail had me with this face, and I thought, that's sick. I'm just gonna Photoshop it over the Judeway and add black bars, because every single like official music video has Vivo and then the two black bars, even if it's like YouTuber diss tracks. Yeah, I know, it's weird. And then you have the piece de resistance. You probably don't know who this person is, but on Instagram he goes by the name Maestro J. I'll put it on the screen right now, at Maestro J. Yeah, I photoshopped him into a chicken, and for some reason I have Pennywise watching. No reason, just found a picture of him like that, slapped him on, because why not? And then you gotta have the KFC in there. That's how you do Photoshop. Like, I've done many different like layers. You've got the coat, then I've done a separate layer for the hair, you've got his glasses, and then you have, of course, the chicken itself. Honestly, this is truly a beautiful masterpiece. I worked so long, not really, I just spent ages cutting it out with the brush tool. It's like not that effective here. And then of course you have the two thumbnails, which I showed you in more depth and changed some stuff in. And then you have all of this, which I showed you before. Yeah, here's my infamous thumbnail. I got a screenshot from one of the people who'd subscribed to me, and then I just got that, and then put a VS on a big like screen that's the same backdrop as your channel. Then got the Judway on there, and then you put it on a YouTube video. Bang, loads of views. I've used this thumbnail loads of times. It's a reliable source of views. And then you have this. It's like the base ground for any thumbnail. Yeah, some of you may be asking, will I ever like legit ever change my what's it called? My thumbnail. Will I ever change this very base my profile picture. I'm talking about my profile picture. Will I ever change my profile picture? Answer, probably not. I'm still not sure, but I'm not sure if I want to change it, because I want to have it like a staple. And then the name, I don't know, might change in the future, but it did start as I can't remember. Oh yeah, Rando is a bot, because if you play Fortnite, then you know what a bot is. But or played Fortnite, but still, and I used to post, and I posted ages ago some Rando stuff videos. They're still on my channel, because let's just keep them there for the culture, as some people would say. And so then once I had done that, then I realized Fortnite's dying. How about I just switch to my Minecraft username, because I used to play Minecraft, and this was like my username, and now I use it for everything. Like if you search Designer258 on something, like not everything, but like on some stuff, then you should find me. That's my moniker, as some people would say. And I know most of my audience is anywhere from 6 to 8 year olds, or as my demographic says, 35 to 65 years old, which is weird, but which is a bit weird, but if we go,
make sure to subscribe to the channel.
Honestly,